in this case, the what we need to extract is changing. If Shiva changes to SHIV, see the output is not changing. Output is remaining as same as it is. Now, so let's take this a little down. I'll copy this here. Let me paste it here. So what if the extraction that we are trying to do is changing with time? Then we can use the function len. Let me put this back to Shiva, and we'll use the function known as len. What does len do? It finds the length of the text. Come len and work it out. What is the length of the text? 5. So if it is a goes out of this thing, it will become 4. So we'll use the len inside the function to actually extract the changing let word. So we can do, when we say left, text would be this, comma. When it says number of characters, I'll say length of whatever is inside this cell. Now, what it does it, when I remove one, the extraction automatically becomes the same. How is that happening? Because the length of this extraction is decided by this function len, which is giving you the length. So as in when the length of this thing is changing, the number here also is changing. So when the number changes, the extraction value also changes. So you can just look into this left, right, and min with len.